Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to create a Slack account and download Slack for Windows and use it within Windows or web browser UI. So first of all, go to Slack website, search for Slack in your web browser and you will see this website. So go to this first link, slack.com, and what you need to do is now click get started. And then you have to enter your email here, or you can either use the Google sign in or you can sign in with Apple. If you already have an account, you can use this link, but since I don't have account, I'm going to create account. I copy and paste my Gmail here, and if you have any work email address for your company, you can use that email here as well, and click continue. And click I'm not robot and solve the password. Okay, now it will send you an email with the verification code, so let's check it. So now you can see I received this verification code here. Okay, now I signed in, so click on create a workspace. I name my team as test for now. So now you can see it offered me a discount for the pro version, but I just click start with the limited free version. If you want, you can buy the pro version as well. So now you can see I logged into this UI. So that means the account is successfully created, and if you want, now you can use the Slack using web UI as well. Now if you want to download the app, so to download the app, search for Slack download. So now it will pop up this download links in your web browser. If you search in Google search engine, or if you search in other search engine also, you will see links immediate to this slack.com/downloads/Windows. So click on that. I will put the links in the description as well. If you are using Mac or Linux, you can use these links to download Mac version or Linux version. But since my operating system is Windows, I click on this download.exe 64-bit, and it will start to download the Slack setup. So now it's downloaded. So go to the download location and double click on the setup to start the installation. Okay, now you can see the application is installed and it opened. So now click on sign into Slack and it will direct you to this link. So now sign up using your account. So if you have already signed into Slack using browser, it will show up the your signed in account here. So as you can see here, it shows my signed in account here. So I click on open. If you have different account, make sure to sign into that correct account and log in and click on open Slack. So as you can see, now I logged into my new Slack account. So that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.